Welcome back to the Cordless Vacuum Guide, and in this video, I'll show you how to clean Dyson V8 filters, including some don'ts I've seen others do. This tutorial will also apply to other models such as the V7 and V6, since these have the same filter placement and design. Please note that there are Dyson V7 submodels like the Motorhead that don't have a post-motor HEPA filter. If you have one of these, then you'll only need to clean the primary filter. The same goes for the Dyson V6. So the Dyson V8 has two filters. The first one is the primary filter in the middle of the cyclones. Pull it out like so and wash it under running water. Use your fingers to rub off any visible gunk. There's no need to use detergent since water is enough to clean it. If you want to be more thorough, you could remove the top cover using a flat tool like this. Once the top is out, you'll have easier access to cleaning the filter's inner walls. I suggest using running water to dislodge any dust and gunk sticking to it. You could use a thin baby bottle brush if there's heavy soil, but running water should be enough. I'll link to this set in the description below if you're interested. The second filter is a post-motor HEPA filter Dyson says is also washable. I don't recommend soaking it in detergent since it uses a paper element, and detergent will degrade this material quickly. Since most of the dirt will stick to the primary filter, you don't need to wash the HEPA filter unless you see any visible gunk. If you want to be sure, open the faucet, twirl the filter under running water, and let it dry for at least 24 hours. The drying time also applies to the primary filter. I highly recommend getting an extra set so you'll have something to use while waiting for these filters to dry. Make sure that these filters are thoroughly dry before reattaching them to the vacuum to prevent any damage to the motor. If this video has been helpful to you, like, subscribe, and tap on the bell icon to stay up to date for new how-to videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one.